Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an image gallery in Wix. To get started, open your Wix site and make sure you're on the page where you want the gallery to appear. This is important because the gallery will be added directly to the section you're currently editing. Before adding your gallery, think about where it will have the biggest impact on your website. For example, you can add an image gallery to showcase products, display your portfolio, share event photos, highlight services, or create a more visual homepage experience. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on Add. This is where Wix keeps all the content elements you can place on your site, including text, images, buttons, and of course, galleries. After you click Add, a panel will open with different categories. From there, click on Elements. This section gives you access to visual items you can insert into your page layout. Once you're inside Elements, find the Image section and click on it. This area is focused on image-based content, so it's the right place to go when you want to display pictures in a clean and organized way. Image galleries are useful because they allow you to display multiple images in one section without making your page feel crowded. Instead of adding images one by one, a gallery gives visitors an easier way to browse your content. Inside the Image section, you'll notice there are several tabs available. Look for the Gallery tab and click on that. This is where Wix groups its gallery options, making it easier to choose a layout that matches the style of your website. You may see different gallery designs, each with a slightly different look and arrangement. Some may appear more modern and minimal, while others may be better for showcasing multiple images at once. When choosing a gallery style, consider the purpose of your website. A photography website may need a larger image-focused layout, while a business website may benefit from a simple and clean gallery design. Now simply browse through the available gallery templates and click on the one you'd like to use. As soon as you select it, Wix will add that gallery to your page. At this point, the gallery is already inserted, so the main setup is complete. If needed, you can reposition the gallery on the page so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. You can also adjust the size and placement to make sure it works well with the rest of your website layout. A properly positioned gallery can improve the overall appearance and make your page easier for visitors to explore. It's a good idea to choose a template that complements your site's overall design and gives your visitors a smooth viewing experience. A well-placed image gallery can help make your page look more professional and visually engaging. For the best results, use high-quality images that match your website's style. Consistent image sizes, good lighting, and clear visuals can make your gallery look much more polished. And that's it. That's how you add an image gallery in Wix. Once you've chosen your preferred gallery template, you're ready to continue customizing your page as needed. You can add more images, update the gallery content, or adjust the design anytime from the Wix editor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.